Okay, this video is going to be a little bit different. I did something similar to this with the Samsung Galaxy Nexus phone, and I thought why not do it with the ASUS Eee Transformer Prime. We're going to take a look at the stock sounds on this device. Now this isn't a phone, so it doesn't have ringtones on it, but it does have notification sounds. And this is the list of them right here. The first one obviously is silent. You wouldn't hear anything because it's silent. The next thing is Beatbox Android. The next one is Caffeinated Rattlesnake. Then we have Captain's Log. Dear Deer, that's D-E-A-R-D-E-E-R. Don't Panic. Heaven. Highwire. Join Hangout. Kzerb Sonar. Look at Me. Missed It. Moonbeam. It's one of my favorites. New Message. On the Hunt. Pixie Dust. Pizzicato. Tada. Tinkerbell. Tweeters. And voila. So those are the default notification sounds on the ASUS Eee Transformer Prime. And that pretty much does it for this video. So I'll see you guys next time.